जैसे फूल खिले हर डाली और धरा पर हरियाली, यही है प्रकृति की सुंदरता जिनसे होती है खुशहाली।
चलिए, थैंक यू। ओके ओके, वेरी गुड। Yes, sir. So we have made some chimney also. Okay.
All championship for institutions. I think there are no guesses for this.
What's in the garden? Garden in the works. We are changing the concept. We let the work. We flourish in the garden. Yes, sir. So we have made some chimney also. Okay. And concept we have developed how to develop a landscape.
House in a very small area, you can have the flowers and so जैसे फूल खिले हर डाली और धरा पर हरियाली, यही है प्रकृति की सुंदरता जिनसे होती है खुशहाली।
Trying to develop a vertical garden that is CO2 observer or vegetation no CO2 observer. That is the concept we developed in the
Yes, sir.
We have developed a rose rooftop garden. That is a good example of bio-indicator. Flowers are blooming. If the environment is not, flowers won't bloom. That is the main reason we are developing in the work. At many places, rooftop garden, vertical garden. Because oh, this is one side. Nutrient management.
To our chief guest of the evening, Mr. T.V. Narendran, CEO and MD, Tatasteel, Mrs. Ruchi Narendran, Chairperson, Jamshedpur Horticultural Society, Mr. Anvit Sinha, General Secretary,
MD Tatasteel, to please come here and say a few words. Sir.
Thanks, Sukanya. Mrs. Sumita Nupur, Mrs. Narendran, Mr. Arvind Sinha, all of you, the enthusiasts who are here, including my colleagues from Tata Steel, TSUSL, and the citizens of Jamshedpur who are here, members of the media. Firstly, it's really great to be back here after a gap. I think the flower show is something which is a very important part of the calendar in Jamshedpur towards the end of the year or the beginning of the new year. And I'm glad that we are back here after a few years. It's been a few challenging years. बहुत सारे issues थे हम लोग का कोविड के कारण, पर ये अच्छा है कि हम लोग ये सब शुरू किया है. And I think every weekend there's something or the other happening, which is very good. Whether it's jam at the streets or the carnival, और अगले हफ्ते हम लोग का dog show भी रहेंगे. And I think these are great ways for not just Tata Steel but for the community to participate in what makes this a very vibrant and a truly special city. आपकी जो biodiversity का बात है, it is very important for the corporate world also, क्योंकि जो sustainability का बात होता है corporates के बीच में, उसमें biodiversity is a very important part. So for all of us, whether you are an enthusiast or not, I think to understand nature better to appreciate it better, I think it's very important. And I hope the Horticultural Society, through these events, is really creating an awareness, creating an excitement for this subject, and creating more and more enthusiasts. Because as I saw in the Tatasteel stall, it says works in a garden, and I think the implication was that the Tatasteel works will be like a works in the garden. They were referring to the Tatasteel space, but I see it more like a works in the garden as a description of Jamshedpur, because there are very few cities in the world, or probably there's no city in the world of 1 million people which has a 10 million ton steel plant in the middle of it. So if we can make this city a green, beautiful city, and I think that's a challenge for Tata Steel and the citizens of Jamshedpur, because there's only that much Tata Steel can do by itself. But I think together, if we work together, if we create what you see here in Gopal Maidan as a microcosm of the city, agar shahar bhi aise dikhega to it'll be something great and to be proud of. I think Jamshedpur has taken great pride in being one of the cleanest and greenest cities in the country, and I think we can, through the efforts of the Horticultural Society and all the enthusiasts, also make it one of the most beautiful cities in the country. I must congratulate and thank the Horticultural Society and the whole team here, led by Sumita, and all the support that she's got from everybody, and congratulate them on what has obviously been a lot of hard work, but the outcome is really seems to have made it worth it. Thank you very much, and all the best for 2023. Thank you.
Next in the institution category of chrysanthemum is XLRI. Next in the chrysanthemum category of institutions is XLRI.
Light.
Sizer and XLRI, please do not exit the stage because you have quite a few prizes to win. I would request you to be around the stage, please. Next coming up. And for the institutions, it is, please guess, it is XLRI. As I had requested, Sizer and XLRI are not to exit the stage, please. Next for institutions is XLRI once again. Dahlia, institutions, XLRI. Now we have the potted plants category. In amateurs, for the potted plant category, for amateurs, can we have Sizer once again? For institutions, potted plants, we have XLRI. Manav Das, Bonsai, amateurs. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Manav Das, Bonsai, amateur. In the institutions for potted fruits and vegetables, it's XLRI. Category. Coming up next is the rose category for amateurs, Mr. Pramod Singh. Category of roses for amateurs, Pramod Singh. And for the institutions in the rose category, we have XLRI once again. Please put your hands together for Rose category. Exhibit type institution, XLRI. All the championship winners to please come and line up behind the stage. Behind the sofas, please. And the overall championship for institutions. I think there are no guesses for this. The overall champions of institutions. No guesses for this one. Ladies and gentlemen, they have really worked hard.
हाँ, एक पीछे भैया,